Open up WhatsApp on your iPhone or Android, and on the iPhone, tap on You at the bottom right, and then scroll down until you get to Privacy. Tap on that. On the Android phone, let's tap on those three dots at the top right, and tap on Settings, and then from here, Privacy midway down. On both of these, you need to first turn on Read Receipts. So toggle on Read Receipts on both of them. And next, let's hop out of here and open up the settings on both phones. From here on the iPhone, we're going to tap on General and then iPhone Storage. And then we're just going to find WhatsApp on this list. There it is. And we're going to offload it and then just reinstall it to delete out all of the cache. Now on your Android phone, all we need to do is scroll down until we find Apps. And then again, scroll down until we find WhatsApp on this list towards the bottom. And now what we're going to do is tap on Storage and then just clear the cache on it and then restart both apps and you'll be good to go.